Hello, today we will be making this flapping bat craft. He flaps his wings. So, for this project you need to cut out this bat from a black piece of paper or just a white piece of paper and color him black. And this is about the size of a normal piece of copy paper. You will also need this piece, which is just a small rectangular piece of paper, which you need to fold in half and then fold the bottom over so that you have this house piece that has two legs. And then you can also, with a hole puncher, you can add the hole here. That's where the skewer will go through. You also need two eyes from a separate piece of paper. You need a skewer, and you can also have a bead on here if you want. And this straw, which needs to be cut in half, but not fully. You need to leave some uncut part here. And then you also need some tape and some glue. And you also need a white crayon, which I will be using to decorate. I have already decorated the other side, but now I'm going to be decorating this side. So I'm just going to add the body here, like so, and just some details on the wings, like that, attaching them to the body, and then from this point downward, so that they look realistic. And then also on the other side, just some details for the wings, like so. And now I will use some glue to attach my eyes. So dot here and dot here, like so. And then I will just put them on here, like that. So he has eyes now. And now you can just fold him. So he needs to be folded this way because he will be flapping that way. And now we can start assembly. So the first thing is you have your stick and you need to put the straw on with this uncut part facing downward. So put that through first. So that, and then we will have our house and just put it through the hole on the bottom here. And we're going to tape it inside, right there. So I'm just going to put it down and tape it on the inside here. Tape the skewer in, just like that, and then close it. And we're going to put tape all the way around here. So just to close this piece and leaving the legs not taped, like so. And now I can take this bat and flip it over, and I will just tape these parts of the paper to the bat. So I'm placing it on the crease, and I will just put two pieces of tape on the white parts to attach it to the bat, like so. And then I will separate the straw just here, like so. And then I will be gluing it taping it to the wings on both sides. So just one piece of tape here. Oh, and that might have gone too far. Just keep it straight and tape here and some tape here. And then also to make it stronger, we're just gonna put some tape under here and kind of wrap it around this piece just to make sure it's stuck, like that. And on the other side, the same, like so. And now we're going to be trying our bat out. So he flaps his wings. Thank you for watching.